Hello, hello, hello.
Hello. Good evening to everybody. Today onwards, we are concentrating only why? Because very important chapter. That's why yesterday I'm not starting a what that queries. And now here, now can you hear me? Hello. It is audible. Hello. Can you hear me? Yeah. And now observe it here. Sub query I'm starting yesterday in a word database. Same thing. Query within another query is called nested query or subquery. But unfortunately, in every relational database in the worldwide, not only Oracle, ANSI standards giving two types of subqueries. One is non-correlated subqueries, another one is correlated subqueries. First, easiness purpose, non-correlated subqueries we are learning. Why they are categorizing also one of the stage you are familiar. But non-correlated means first child query is executed, first only child query executed, then only parent query is executed. That is everyone knows. But here correlated means reverse. First is parent query is executed, then only child query executed. But in a non-correlated subquery, two parts are there. One is a child query, another one is parent query. I am telling. Yes, child query means a query which provides values to another query is called child query. Within a parenthesis, some queries there, no, that is called child query. Again, parent query means a query which receives values from another query is called parent query or outer query. How it will be executed, I will tell you. Again, these non-correlated subqueries in every database categorized into where another three types of subqueries. That is important, most powerful. In every relational database system in the worldwide, and again, any non-correlated subquery you are writing also, maybe that is a what? Single row subquery. Maybe that is a what? Multiple row subquery. Maybe that is a what? Multiple column subquery only. Most powerful. Observe here. 1 minute, observe here. Every focus database in the worldwide. Again, these non-correlated subqueries are categorized into where first one, single row subqueries. Don't write it, just here. These are all the things we are learning. What is single row, multiple row, we are learning today. And now here single row subquery. So now here single row subquery. Again, second one is what? Multiple row subquery. Non-correlated subqueries are categorized into three types. One is single row subquery. Second one, multiple row subquery. Different operators, NA, all, something is there. Multiple row subquery. What is that one means? Practically we are learning today. And now multiple row subqueries. Multiple row subqueries or not multiple row subquery. Again, another query is there in a non-correlated subquery side. In a query you are writing means either maybe single row, either maybe multiple row, either maybe multiple column is available in every database non-correlated. And now here not only Oracle, every database and the standard. What is this one? I will tell you. Multiple column subquery. Not only these three queries, these three queries only available in all relational database. Either MySQL, either Oracle, either SQL Server, either DB2, either Sybase, either Informix. In a database also, non-correlated subqueries are categorized into single row subquery, multiple row subquery, multiple column subquery. But unfortunately, Oracle always having a what more concepts are there. Oracle side, not only this one, again, another thing is there in a non-correlated Oracle. Oracle side, one extra concept is there. What is that one means? Inline view. Or maybe some other queries are there in a non-correlated Oracle side. In nowadays SQL Server side also, this last one is there. Inline view, or this is also called as subquery used in from clause. From is a clause is there. In that from clause only bracket subquery is there. Okay, subquery used in from clause. Subquery used in from clause. These type of queries also available. That's why all the databases, how many types of non-correlated subquery? Three types: single row, multiple column. But Oracle and SQL Server extra concept, inline view or subquery are used in from clause also available. Okay, na? Yeah. First, this is noted down. Write it this one. Otherwise, take a snap. Anybody lately connected means non-correlated subqueries are categorized into single row. First one, single row subquery. Second one, multiple row subquery. Third one, multiple column subquery. Fourth one, inline view or subqueries are used in front. So note it down these things. Hello, 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 hello. It is audible. Hello, 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 hello. Finished? Completed? Yes, very good. Now here, yes, here. Now check it out. These all the things we are learning a what? Yes, here, these are single row, multiple column. We are learning a what? Practical. So what is single row? What is multiple row? Directly, I'm not telling. First, I am starting a what queries because practically, now here, yes, some queries only. Through that queries only, that is a single row, there is a multiple row, there is a multiple column. I'm telling only. But today, single rows we are starting. Okay. Yes. What is the first query means? You are only try it first query only. Suppose here, this is a table is there. Select a star from EMP is a table, employee table based on it. Suppose all the data I don't want to display. Something I want to display. I want to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP. I want to display the employees who are getting more salary than the where. Average is a function, you know. Average salary. Some average salary is there in the EMP table. Based on that average salary, more than that average salary, some employees are getting only those employees I want to display. That is my requirement. But how you are writing, I don't know why, because I am not explaining anything also. First query you are writing is through that query. Yes, I am explaining. Now then only how you are writing any complex queries also. Some techniques today I'm telling you are following the techniques means any query also very easy. That much of powerful. Write it first query, then only single row sub query, multiple row sub query. We are telling through this query. Write a query. Write a query. First query this one. Write a query. Maybe some fellows are writing, I think. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary who are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP table. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP table. Write it this query. Maybe here salary column is there, average salary, on idea. Maybe try it your own way, try it. Anything, select anything, write it. First time, no? Yes, then we are telling all the things only. First, you are only write it. Slowly, whatever write it. Then I am telling where first time newcomer mistaken, where you are mistaken, what is the way we are writing, all the things you are understand about execution, so many things only. But all the queries, how much easy means, I will tell you. The techniques I am telling through the another query. This query you are only try it. Very good. So many fellows are writing about query, but unfortunately, some queries are correct, some queries are wrong. Okay, na? Finished, fast. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP table. Whatever write it. Then we are starting. Don't worry. I am telling all the things today. Some techniques, all the things I am telling. Average means AVG function is there, no? Yes, very good. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP table. Something is there. First query, no? That's why I'm not telling any hint also. This is easiest query, but and now check it out. Observe here, observe here, observe here, observe here. I suppose first time you are a newcomer means write a query to display. You are reading like this. Write a query to display the employees who are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP table. Okay, fine. Suppose now tell me practically. Practically some fellows are writing very good. Select. Okay. Now here how can I select star from EMP up to now 100% correct. Where very good. Yes, which column based salary? Where salary is more than means greater than. Very good, correct. Up to this one 100% correct. Select the star from EMP where salary is greater than, more salary means greater than. Okay, yes, here. Average salary, average means which function is there? AVG of which one? Which one? Yes, salary. How much easy? So many fellows are in our class only they are writing. Whenever anybody writing like this means blunder mistake, it won't work. It won't work. It won't work. There is a problem. And now here, yes. I am also here also first time newcomer, not experienced person, newcomers thinking about, oh, nothing is there. Yes, who are getting more salary means salary is a column greater than average salary means average salary they are writing. It won't work. Impossible. Impossible. Why means reason is there. Observe here. Concentrate. Actually, in a previous classes, anybody attending means you have an idea something only. That based only one rule, and today based on another rule. Yes, here why this query is not working means everyone knows. And now here check it out. Actually, average is a which function? Very good, group function. So now average, max, min is a group functions. Already have an idea or not? Whenever you are starting your group functions, one rule I am telling, group functions are not allowed to use in a where directly in a where clause. Directly in a where clause, impossible. That is a rule you have an idea in a olden days. That's why first query group function side I am telling only. Now here I try to execute this one. Yes, it won't work. Observe here, it will give say what error. But the error group function is not allowed here. Only that is a problem. No, Not only that one, another thing is there. What is that one means? Observe here. Whenever we are writing a what, a subquery means after where class column name after operators, don't try to use direct any function, any value. Okay, fine. Not only this group function, anything also not working. Why? Because that is not a subquery. Subquery means always here compulsory we are using a what parenthesis here. Within a parenthesis, some query we are writing. That query only evaluate the value. That value you don't know. That evaluate value based only we are okay, so not displaying a what data. That's why query executions, all the things today very important. Yes, how we are writing here, select here, average here, very good. Some fellows are guessing only average salary from EMP. How it will be executed? How can I write? I will tell you. First observe here. Now check it out. Yes, automatically this output is there or not. Oh, maybe some employees are getting a more salary than these employees are getting more salary than the average salary from EMP. How it will be executed? What is this query? These all the things I will tell you. Don't worry. How we are writing the queries also I will tell you today. Okay. So now first, yes, write it. Very good. Some fellows are guessing. First time newcomer also. Why we are learning this query only first? Reasons also there. So many things are there. Write it. Write it slowly. Select star from EMP where salary is greater than compulsory parenthesis. Subquery means parenthesis. Again, another query, select another query we are using. And then only that is called it as a subquery. Otherwise, they are not called it as subquery. Here, direct value means that is not a subquery. Okay. Yeah. Finished. Completed this one fast. Now here, yes, observe it here. Concentrate here. Now check it out. Slowly observe it here. Slowly observe it here. And now check it out. Whenever we are writing about this query, this is a single, this is a what? Yes, non-correlated subquery. Why? Because parent query table alias name is not there. That alias name I'm not using in a where class. That's why this is a non-correlated subquery. Okay, fine. But today, first, before we are starting a what, this class only I'm telling, non-correlated subqueries are again categorized into where? Yes, here which one? Four things only. One is single row subquery, multiple row subquery, multiple column subquery. Something I'm telling or not? Yes, single row, multiple column. Yes, some queries are there. Okay, in these type of non-correlated subqueries. But unfortunately, I have a doubt only. Okay, fine. Okay, I am writing this query. You are also some fellows are writing this query. But this query, now here, this is a single row subquery or multiple row subquery or multiple column subquery. I'm confusing only. Yes, maybe anybody guess it. This is a what? A single row subquery or multiple row subquery or multiple column subquery. Only one thing is correct. Anybody guessing is great. This is single row or multiple column. Anybody guess it in our class? Very good. This is not a single, not a multiple row subquery. Very good. Some fellows are telling, oh, this is a multiple row subquery. They are telling that is the wrong one. This is not a multiple column subquery. Yes, that is also wrong one. But this is a single row subquery. What is this one? Output is so many fellows are in our class only. Output is multiple rows are there. That's why multiple columns are there. That's why this is multiple column subquery, multiple row subquery. They are thinking, but unfortunately, this is single row subquery. How? They are telling a what? ANSI standards telling a what? This is a single row subquery means reason is there. Actually, single row, multiple column, they are not categorized based on the output. Output may be anything. Either okay, single rows are there, either multiple rows are there, either multiple column with multiple values are there. Anything also there in output. That is developer wish. But unfortunately, how they are categorizing this is ANSI standard, this is a single row, this is a multiple row, this is a multiple column means simple technique is there. What is that one? Actually, whenever we are observing a what, yes, non-correlated subquery means which part is executed first? This child query is executed first. This child query sometimes returns a what? A single value only. That's why in that case, that is called single row subquery. Sometimes this subquery returns a what? Multiple values only internally. That's why that is called multiple row subquery. Sometimes this child query returns a multiple values with multiple columns only. That is called multiple column subquery. That's why child query internally returns the values. That values based only we are categorizing a what. This is a single row or multiple column subquery. Single row different purpose, multiple row different operators, multiple column different operators are there. You are understandable one by one. But how I am giving the guarantee this is a single row subquery means observe it here. Child query internally returns a one value. How you are given the guarantee I am not executing this query also single row subquery means reason is there. Anybody attending a previous classes, group function is there here. Group functions always returns a what is the default nature? Group function always returns a what? Only one value at a time. You have an idea or not? That's why without execution knowledge also, I am telling you what this is a single row subquery. Really that is correct or not? I want to check means just I'm copying a what? A select average salary from EMP like this. Just I'm copying like this only. Yes, automatically this returns a what? Single value or not? Whenever this single value it will be returned, that is called a single row subquery. That's why child query return values based only this is a single row, multiple column. They are categorizing in a non-correlated in every database. Whenever child query returns internally single value, that is called single row subquery. In a single row subquery, we are using a what in a where clause greater than, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, between. These type of operators they are using only. Write it. Then only execution I am telling only. Then only how you are writing the queries I will tell you. Techniques I will tell you later. Write it. This is a single row subquery. This is a single row subquery. This is a single row subquery because here child query returns single value. Child query returns single value. In single row subqueries, we are using equal to, comma, less than, comma, less than or equal to, comma, greater than, comma, greater than or equal to, comma, not equal to, comma, between operators. In a featuring also that one, between operators. Write it in your database also on this. This is a single row subquery because here child query returns single value. In single row subqueries, we are using equal to, comma, less than, comma, less than or equal to, comma, greater than, comma, greater than or equal to, comma, not equal to, comma, between operators. How this query is executed, that's important. Now here execution most powerful. How this query is executed means how we are writing the queries means next only. But first execution, how this query is executed means concentrate here. Whenever we are writing a what, just here. Now here, whenever we are executing a what, any single row subquery means how it will be executed, left to right? No, right to left is executed. Right to left. This is the first part. This is a what? A second part is executed. But how means observe here, concentrate here. Whenever we are submitting a what, this query means control server goes to where this child query. This child query here automatically select average salary from EMP means yes, some average salary it will be returned. Okay, fine. Now then only this value directly substituted in place of pair child query in a where in that question of query side. Now check it out. Suppose observe it here. This is a query is there no. So now here yes in a previous case this is a query is there. And now here check it out. Select now here yes, select here. Now here average select a star from now don't write star from EMP where salary is greater than. Here in place of that subquery this value is substituted. Observe here this value is substituted. That's why this value you don't know actually really. Now here observe here this value how it will be executed. First child query executed. Child query evaluates this value 2401 we don't know actually. that value is substituted in a child query place. That's why who are the employees are getting a more salary than the 2,401. Those employees only it will be displayed. That's why we don't know exact value in a where is in a where in evaluation side. That value we are identifying, find out by using a what child query only. That is the beauty of the way subqueries. I know you know more than 2,000, 3,000 means okay, direct value. But we don't know what is the average salary, what is the maximum salary, what is the minimum salary, what is the calculation value. We don't know really. Now that value is identified or okay, so find out by using a what child query. That value based only here more than 2,401 salary means here some employees are getting or not. Those employees it will be displayed. Observe here. Yes, this is a 7 rows in a previous case. It will display or not. That's why this is a two-step process only. What is that one? Always execution process is observe here. Execution process is two-step process. In a step one, child query is executed first. In a step one only, child query is executed. Child query is executed like this. Here in a step one, whatever here child query is there, that child query is executed. Select average salary from EMP like this. This child query is executed. In a where in a step two, in a where in a step two only. Now here step two, here always here this child query evaluated value is there, that is substituted in a where in this query only. Suppose here this is a what query is there. No, here what is the query? Select here average salary from EMP is there. No, in place of this query, this value is substituted. Now that value based only parent query executed. Parent query means display the employees who are getting more than 2,401 salary means yes, you are more than 2,401 salary. Those employees only it will display or not. Same like a normal query, but unfortunately evaluating a what average salary. That's why indirect process, more than one step process. We don't know average exact value. That's why we are identifying a what, find out a value by using a child query. That evaluation value, this value based only it will be written or not. Simple. That's why first is child query return a single value, multiple values means later multiple rows of query. Here this single value based only, this left hand side query only, it will be getting a what output or not. Yes, write it. This one execution, right? Execution. Step one. Select average salary from EMP. This output also. Finished fast. Now very important. Okay, some idea up to now, some idea, but unfortunately, how you are writing the what query is very important. Up to that one, I'm not telling. Suppose first suddenly today I am asking one query only. There is a little bit of difficult query, two table based I'm asking without using join sub query. You are only try it. Whenever you are writing means where you are struggling only, that is a concept. Yes, that concept based only 4 rules I will tell you today. Those 4 rules based any non-correlated subquery also you are writing very easy. That is very important. Most powerful. That's why up to end of the class today concentrate. Suppose here this is a table is there. Concentrate here. Very important. Select star from EMP is a table. Here another table also there. Select star from DPT is a table. Department table. 1 minute observe here, department table, columns observe here, because columns knowledge is required in this type of queries. Department number, again D name, again location is a columns are there. What is my requirement? I want to display the employees. Employees are available in a EMP table. I want to display the employees who are working in a where sales department. I'm asking only. Now, who are working in a where? Sales department. Sales is a department is available in under which one? D name is a column. What is the problem? Why we are writing a sub queries? Why we are not using a normal queries? Those all the things I will tell you. First, write a query. This is very important query. Through this one, we are starting the subject. Write a query. Write a query to display the employees. Write a query to display the employees who are working in sales department. Sales who are working in sales department from EMP, DEPT tables without using joins. Normally sub queries. Okay, write a query to display the employees who are working in sales department. Write a query to display the employees who are working in sales department from EMP, DEPT tables. Write a query to display the employees who are working in sales department from EMP, DEPT tables. Okay. And now whenever they are asking this query, what is the logic means? Observe here. First here, already I am telling the data is available in which column, that sales, the data is available in which column, we have to find out first only logic. Sales is available in which column? Yes, here D name. Now that is the logic first. Here the data is available in which column? D name column only. That one where condition we are writing or not is equal to operator suitable, where D name is equal to sales, like this. That's the logic. Okay. But whenever through that logic I am writing the query, what happened? Observe here, display the employees means select a star from EMP. Okay, fine. Everyone knows. Where, yes, column name. What is the column name? Where sales is available in a where? Which column under which column only the data is available? D name is a column. Okay, fine. Where D name is equal to here data sales like this. But unfortunately, it won't work. It won't work. Everyone knows. Why? Because observe here, what is the problem here in this query? Employees are there in EMP table, D name is equal to sales, logic okay, but what is the problem? Here, D name is a column is not available in this EMP table. There is a problem. Employees are available in EMP table, but D name is a column is available in a where? Which table? DEPT table. That's why in EMP table, that column is not there. That's why it will give say what error. That's why in this case only we are using a what subqueries, query within another query, something is there or not. In a previous case, I'm writing only roughly, and now query within another query, something I'm writing or not. Same thing you are writing is then possible. Whatever you know, you write it your own way. Yes, take a 1 minute or anything. Okay, so now here, then I am starting a what really where you are mistaken, how you are writing any queries also I'm telling. Okay, na? Yes, here. Through this query, everyone understandable how easy way you are writing the queries, I'm explaining only. Some techniques I'm designing, and through that one you are understandable. Experienced person means so maybe this query also they're writing, but first time newcomer side. Try it your own way, take your own time. Columns really roughly on it, sales D name like that. Whatever you know, write it. Select star from EMP, something your own wish. Whatever you know, write it. Then I'm telling only those all the things, big concept. Try it your own way, take your own time, 1 or 2 minutes. Then I'm telling only all the things. All are writing. Last 1 minute only. Try it. Your columns or anything, whatever you know, write it. Then I will tell you. Don't worry. Some fellows are writing. Don't worry. Okay. First, you are only try it all the things. Then I am telling me, then you are understandable. Very interesting this one. Through this one only, all the databases, how easy way you are writing the queries, I will tell you. Last 1 minute, try it. Last 1 minute, whatever you know. Under errors also not a problem. Just column names, whatever logic you are thinking, same thing, write it. Then I am telling all the things. Very good. Okay. So many fellows are writing what yes queries only in a chat box. I am observing that queries. Okay, fine. Okay, you are maybe you are thinking logically very good. That's why you are writing what those queries correctly. Okay, not a problem. Suppose I'm a first time newcomer. I'm a learner. How I am writing what these queries means, observe here. I'm a student, for example. How I am writing means entertainment purpose. I'm telling only through that one. Yes, all the things you are understandable. Suppose, for example, I am learning a course in a where Oracle, for example. For example, I am Murli only. I am learning a what course in a Oracle in a one institute, for example, in a where Amirpet or anywhere also. My sir is asking what write a query to display the employees who are working in sales department from EMP, DEPT tables without joins using a subquery. They are asking, for example, my vocational here lecturer asking only, for example, whenever he is asking me, I am writing about nothing is there, very easy. Now here select here, okay, star from table name here. Fastly I am writing what up to now. Here onwards, slowly struggles are starting. Where? Because up to this one very easy or not? Where? Slowly I am writing. Okay, up to this one fast I am writing select star from table name. Where? Okay, fine. After where class, I have a doubt only. Yes, how I am writing or anything, 1 minute I am thinking, okay, fine. But unfortunately, D name is equal to sales means D name is okay, not available in this EMP table. There is a problem. That's why I am thinking, 5 minutes only I'm thinking. Then I have an idea. Oh, maybe EMP, DEPT tables they are asking. Both the tables in a common column is there. I'm checking. Yes, here. Compulsory common column is there in this type of queries, multiple tables. Yes, common column is there. What is the common column? Department number. That's why don't just observe here. I am only writing about department number. Up to now, okay. Observe here only problem. Up to now, okay. I am writing. Okay, if I am writing, I am a student only. I am writing. Yes, department number is equal to I am writing. Okay, fine. Subquery means compulsory parenthesis. I am writing like this. Now here select I am writing. Concentrate here. Here only key concept is there. Select up to now. Okay. Here we are not allowed to use any star. Don't try to use a star after select keyword only in a way non-correlated subqueries in a child query. Impossible. Okay, na? Yes, here. Don't try to use any star after select keyword in a child query in a way in any non-correlated subqueries. Okay. Based on that rule, maybe I have a little bit of knowledge is there. That's why star I am not using. Correlated means different. Non-correlated like this. Now, in this case, after select column or expression, we are using compulsory. I'm thinking like that. Now, which column is suitable? I'm confusing only here. I am writing a what? A higher date is a column I am writing. I am a student only. I am writing my own way. In a column I am writing. Whenever I am writing a what? This one, I am confusing only. I have a doubt only. And now I am sitting a what here only. And now, for example, in my class only. And now here, yes, I am writing higher date. Unfortunately, I am writing a what higher date also. Yes, this column is correct or not. I have a doubt only. Okay, maybe now here I am writing this one, but not confidently. Now here. Yes, whenever I am writing about this higher date is a column, I am confusing only this query is correct or this column is correct or not. I have a doubt only. That's why, yes, here I am viewing what my vocation of right hand side, my one of my vocation of here, yes, vocation of here, another student only writing what some other vocation of here, yes, column only they are writing. I am observing what his notes only, for example. Whenever I am observing what his notes, he is writing what here in place of higher date, ISD name he is writing only. That's why I'm thinking about no, here I am not attending classes properly. That's why okay, so now not a higher date. Here he is writing what D name. I am copying what D name I am writing. Okay, fine. But again, I have a doubt. This fellow also writing what correct or not. I'm confusing only. Again, my left hand side only, my close friend. Okay, so now here, yes, here sitting here only. Now he is writing a what another column. So now here another column. He is writing only. Now here, yes, I'm thinking what, yes, he is a stupid fellow. So now here, yes, he is not writing a what correctly. My close friend, no, now that's why he is writing a what, yes, job in this notes only. Job he is writing. Now here, yes, job is a column he is writing. That's why my close friend, no, that's why I am thinking a what, yes, here again he is another fellow is writing a what wrong side. That's why I'm thinking only. Just again I'm erasing a what here this D name in place of this one. I'm writing a what job is a column I'm writing. That's why in our class also so many fellows are after select only. Here they are not writing proper columns only. They are erasing only. Okay, each and every time they are changing a what columns. Who are writing a what like this? Those persons are very good programmers. Very good programmers. Why? Because here is the key concept. Key concept in a way non-correlated means after select column only. Here only is key concept. What is the key concept means? Observe here. Here only very important. After where clause in a parent query, correct column we are choosing means yes, here only we are choosing a what a correct column, very easy only. Now here only, yes, here 4 rules I am designing only. Yes, those 4 rules you are following means you are also writing a what queries very easy. Now here check it out. What is the first rule? First rule means observe here. According to my experience only. 90% of the case, observe here, 90% of the case, 90% of the case only. Yes, in every database non-correlated subqueries, after where clause, whatever column is there in a parent query, same column is we are using only, same column. This is very important rule. Yes, suppose here if department number correctly we are using means same column we are using a what, so many queries, 90% of the queries. Department number here means here also department number. Here higher date means here also higher date. Here salary means here also salary. This is the first rule. Again, some type of another queries means not like that. Other queries are now here, observe here. Yes, other queries means not like that only. Here different column. And now here check it out. Here check it out. Another queries. Another query means suppose here in a previous case anybody attend okay, so now here observing or not. First initial stage today I am starting a first query. What is the query? Select a star from EMP who are getting a what more salary than they were. Average salary I am telling no. And now here yes here average salary you are writing a what in a previous case query you are observing or not. That's why after where clause whatever column is there here not a same column, here group function we are using. That's why second rule is here either average, either maximum, either minimum, either sum. Yes, here these type of group functions we are using only. That's why second rule is 5% of the case in every database queries in a non-correlated side, after where clause whatever column is there after select, group functions are using only. This is most powerful. Second rule also very important. Group functions only we are using in a, so many times in a future, so many queries are there. Here I having class group by, I will tell you in that case, okay, nested group functions, so many things I'm telling. Okay, next so much of concept is there. Single row most powerful actually. Again, not only that one, yes, here another rule is there in a third one different. Yes, actually after where clause whatever columns are there in a where 3% of the case, 3% of the case only, here expressions we are using, expressions we are using in a where in a child query. Suppose here salary we are using only, here salary plus 100. here salary into 100, like this only. Salary, now here, yes, into 12, like this. These are called expressions. That's why after where clause, whatever column is there, number data type column is there. Yes, sometimes we can also use a what? Expressions. Okay, fine. Not only that one, in a last rule only, this is difficult, very difficult, very difficult. In a 2% of the queries in a real-time project side, are now here, yes, here, always in a very different column also possible, but at same data type. That is hierarchical data is there, then only possible. What is hierarchical data? In a self-join, we are telling, in this stage also some queries I'm telling only. In that case, different columns also possible, but in that case, compulsory, yes, data type is matching. Now here, suppose MGR is a column is there, here is equal to, here employee number is a column we are using only. In that case, totally different columns. This is a column different, this is column different, but those two columns are must belongs to same data type, and also some related data is there, then only possible. That's why only last rule is a difficult, but that is very rare cases. That is hierarchical data case only, it will be written only. But first two rules are repeatedly using in a non-correlated. 1 crore record, 1 lakh okay, queries you are observing also in a net only. These 4 only repeated. That much powerful. Non-correlated, not a correlated. Non-correlated means I am observing a what so many queries only. Based on my experience, I am designing a what these 4 rules. In a query also we have to check it out in your databases. Non-correlated means only these 4 rules only repeated. Only these 4 rules. Very important. That's why which rule is suitable in this query. Now how it will be executed later. Execution different. And I also we are writing about queries also different. Next different way I'm telling. First construction. Now here select here star from EMP. Where now here tell me where yes, common column. What is the column? Department number is equal to here select here after where clause whatever column is there. First rule is suitable. No? In this case query first rule is suitable, same column is suitable in this case. That's why so many fellows doesn't know this rule also. They're writing logically, they're writing now here after where clause whatever column is there, after select don't use any star, only here column name. From here DEPT where D name is a column is there, columns you must familiar here, sales, like this. Okay, tomorrow we are changing about this query construction also. But first in a way today or now here check it out. Copy, I'm copying about this query only. Now I'm trying to execute this query. Yes, here automatically this is output only. But unfortunately, this is also single row subquery. Yes, exactly. Why? Because here child query we are executing means observe here. Yes, whenever I'm executing a child query like this, in a way child query I'm writing here select now here yes here select here department number from here DPT where D name is equal to sales or not. Yes, in this case child query always returns a what single value here, single value 30. The 30th department data it will be retrieved or not. In place of this 30 I want to display sales means some other thing is there next only. That is a very important advanced case, that is most powerful. But today yes, maybe after where clause whatever column is there, same column I'm using only. That's why in this case only suitable or not. Yes, here write it this query. Very good. So many fellows are without any knowledge also they are writing. Very good. That's why query writing construction first, then only how we are writing a what right to left I'm telling. Okay, yeah. Sales is a capital letter, write it. Okay, DEPT table, this one. Very good. Logically you are writing. Yes, right to left only executed really. Underline everyone. Here department number column underline it. Here also department number column underline it. Everyone underline it. Department number here, department number. Underline those columns. First child query is executed, select department number from DPT where the name is equal to CS. That's why in a next class onwards, right to left also we are writing the queries. That is original. But today, just construction purpose, first time telling newcomer purpose. Everyone underline where clause department number, after select also department number. Okay, na? Yeah. Same column, no? Yes, here. Now onwards, now here, yes, based on those rules only, maybe you are only choosing logically, slowly you are choosing means later, how you are writing about very beautiful way in a right to left time telling. That is the most powerful. But today, just now here, easiness purpose, these rules. So now check it out. Again, another vocation of your query, you are only try it. Yes, that query you are writing is great only. And now here, check it out. Suppose this is a table is there. In this table, senior most employee details I want only. Senior most employee details. Senior, junior, okay, so no, any column name is not there, but higher date is a joining date is a column is there. Based on that one, maybe you are writing, I think. First, these 4 rules are there, no? These 4 rules based on one rule. First two rules are there, no? In that one rule is suitable. Maybe you are writing, I think. Write a query. Write a query. Write a query to display senior most employees, write a query to display senior most employees. Senior most employee means senior most employee better. Senior most employee from EMP table. Write a query to display senior most employee from EMP table. Enjoy. Write it. Higher date is a column is there. You have an idea. Senior, junior commands are not there. But how you are writing, write it. First 4 rules are there, no? 90% of the case after where clause, whatever column is there, same column. Again, 5% of the case, whatever column we are choosing only in a where clause in a parent query. Group function also possible. Okay, those type of rules are there. No? One of the rule is suitable. Maybe easy. I think maybe you are writing. This is also single row. Single row is a big concept. Try it this one your own way. Easy without any calculation part, you are writing about this query very easy. Here in these first 2 rules, one rule is suitable. Maybe very good. 4 fellows are writing, but one thing is correct, all things wrong one. Maybe try it last 1 minute. Try it your own way. Query construction side, select star from EMP where something greater than less than also not required, because this is not a calculation based, simple normal query based one. Senior most employee details from EMP table like that. Senior means senior, not a junior, senior. So many fellows are junior most employee details they are writing. Senior. Suppose you are born in a where some date based on that one age like that or no, same thing. Senior, last 1 minute, maybe try it. Very good. Satyanarayana, Tirupati, you are writing. You are right. But greater than less than not required is equal to enough. Slowly. Senior most employee details. Senior. Chance you are writing correct. Very good. Senior. Now observe it here. How much easy concept observe it here. Suppose here now here. What is this one means dead easy. Nothing is there. Just practice purpose only. That much of time we are telling. Now here now check it out. Select here star from EMP. Okay, fine. Here after where clause only column we are choosing. Which column? Senior, junior is not there. No joining date based. Joining date means higher date is a column is equal to. Not a less than, not a greater than. This is not a calculation way. Select. After select, don't use star in a where. In a book choose a non-correlated subquery. That's the rule. Now, what is the first rule? First rule is most 90% of the case, same column. Now I'm copying a what this column. Okay, so now I'm copying this column. I'm writing a what same column. Yes, wrong output. Why? Because yes, senior they're asking. Same column you are using means no use in this case only. Very good. First rule is failure. Again, second rule. 5% of the case here group function suitable. Yes, in this case group function is suitable. Which group function? Here min or max. Very important. Only one thing is correct. So many fellows are writing, but some fellows are writing max, some fellows are writing min only. But only one thing is correct. Which one? Very good. Minimum of. Very good. Yes, suppose here, yes, a date you are born in a 1920. You are only senior or not? Yes, here. That's why date is less means then only senior only. Otherwise, date is highest. Max you are writing means you are a junior most employee only. See, a minimum of dates means reverse or not? Yes, minimum of higher date. That's why whenever we are starting a group function, select yes, max of salary from EMP. Yes, again some interesting purpose. Select max of higher date, minimum of higher date. That one I am typing normally. That concept you are using or not, check it out purpose. Very good. Select minimum of higher date from EMP. How much easy? How it will be executed means next that execution and writing construction in a different way, but rules based only first observed here. Yes, you are. Now this is a Smith senior most employed 17 December 1980 based. Yes, here written or not? Yes. This is also single row subquery. Why? Because child query data single value. These all queries. Everyone underline higher date and also minimum of higher date underline it. Higher date and a minimum of higher date underline it. Higher date here after select min of higher date. Okay, na? Rules based this one. Oh, maybe yes. Very good. Some fellows are yes. Okay, na? Yeah. Okay, na? Up to this one is enough today. Tomorrow, don't miss the classes tomorrow. So many things are there. So much a big answer one by one, top and analysis onwards in the subquery chapter side. Most powerful up to that one small point. Is all single row subquery. Single row subquery, big concept models are there. Tomorrow I will tell you, remind. Up to this one practice. Tomorrow will continue.